Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Capcut on PC and laptop. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening the Start menu, then type in Store and open the Microsoft Store. Head up to the top and sign in if needed. Select the search box, type in Capcut and press Enter. Select Capcut from the list. It should be the first one. Click Get if required, then click the Install button. Wait for the download and installation to complete. Once done, open the Start menu again, type in Capcut, and open the app. Wait for the process to finish, then click Confirm. If a Terms of Services and Privacy Policy window appears, read through the terms and policy, then click the Agree and Continue button. At the top, you can click the Sign In button if you want to log in, and choose one of the sign-in options. Alternatively, you can use Capcut without signing in. Just click the Create Project button at the top to start editing. Before you begin editing, go to the Details panel and click Modify. Adjust your project settings as desired. Typically, you'll want to set the resolution and frame rate to 60, then click Save to confirm. And that's it. So that's basically how you can download Capcut on PC and laptop. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.